Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Anbreen Kay Tech. This is Anbreen and today I'm going to be discussing about a software named Summer Traffic 2.0 that has been launched on 17th August 2023. Since the offer or the functionality of this software embedded inside is something evergreen, I mean you can take benefit out of it anytime, but if you do a little hurry while purchasing this product right now, then you will get some more benefits out of it. Basically, this software is something which provides you free traffic for all of the URLs and all of the online marketing you are doing. As you all know that online marketing is like useless if you are not receiving any traffic. In other words, I must say that traffic is the blood of your online marketing. I mean, imagine you are doing marketing of a lot of amazing product that could be really true, and you might be offering bonuses, you might be offering different gifts, giveaways to your audience. But let's say your hard bloodshed work is not getting traffic, then this all work is useless. I mean, if nobody's seeing, then what is the use of it? What is the benefit of it? So the big online marketers and super affiliates, they always prioritize or they always give value to the traffic they are getting. And so this guy whose name is Dawood, the owner of this software Summer Traffic 2.0, he knows what is the benefit and what is the value, what is the worth of traffic, whether it's coming on daily basis or it's coming on monthly basis. He knows the value, so that's why he's always putting it on the priority, and he has been offering this traffic benefits or this traffic kind of softwares to beginners and online marketers like you and me. This is another Summer Traffic 2.0 named software where he is throwing the unlimited free traffic in the form of different types of traffic rotators. They are almost 4 to 5 traffic rotators that he has embedded inside this software, and you get a chance to get access of all of them. Before jumping into some more details, let me just tell you about the bonuses. He is offering a lot of exclusive bonuses along with this summer free traffic. So without wasting or without any further ado, you can click the link down in this description box of this video. You can reach to the sales page that looks like this, and it has all the details mentioned on it, saying that you can access to this product with simply one push button. It doesn't need any experience for sure, email list or any tech savvy you have to be, and everything. It's like a complete set and forget system. You simply have to submit any of URL you want to get traffic on and get daily free traffic through different multiple sources, and it can work with any niche. Okay, and it includes traffic from 5 different traffic rotators, and we will discuss these 5 different traffic rotators now. It's completely newbie friendly, and it doesn't need any list, and it happens to be set up in just few seconds. Yeah, if you could see, then such kind of softwares offering such kind of services usually demands a big amount of money from you, but this software itself you can purchase in only $12.95. It's just very economical. It's not that pricey. You can have this product in the help of 3 steps only. Simply you have to purchase, you have to click on this button, click here to get instant access, and you can purchase from here. And simply you have to set up the system. Everything is just friendly. You have to follow the instructions and put your URL in there, and then the next step is done by the system itself. And these all worth $397 each. rotators you're gonna get for only $12.95. Isn't it a free giveaway, I must say? Now let's say if you're talking about the funnels that are embedded inside this summer traffic. The first front end funnel is summer traffic 2.0, that is worth $12.95. You're gonna get the traffic to any URL of your choice. It will be set up in 60 seconds and your link placed on 5x different rotators, including our brand new spring traffic rotator from a brand new traffic sources. Second OTO is worth $47, which is having summer traffic pro version. A second one is exclusive pro rotator, that is worth $47. It again is going to give access to the pro rotators. And the third one is you are going to get reseller rights. I mean, you can be the owner of the product as a whole by purchasing this OTO only for $47, and you can keep 100%. And the fourth OTO is you are going to get access ultimate traffic package in $197. It is having all kind of traffic rotators you could imagine. You just name it, every kind of possible traffic you are going to get through this OTO. And the last OTO, that is fifth one, is you are going to get for $997. That is Elite Academy beta testers. If you want to know more, then you can check the sales page. It has all the details on it. So guys, this is all about the summer traffic 2.0 software. Go check it out. The link that is in description box under this video, and you can enjoy the purchase that is only for $12.95 one-time payment. You can even enjoy the money back guarantees also. If you're not satisfied, everything would be there while purchasing. Grab the product and enjoy it. So this was all about the product Summer Traffic 2.0 offered by Mr. Dawood. I hope you like this video and the review of this software as well. If you find it beneficial and if you like it, then please press the like button, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. I hope to see you in another video with some more details and with some more newly launched softwares in the marketplace. Till then, bye.